Hello everybody, my name is Pamela. Welcome to my channel for the love of beauty. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I just want to show you guys that this is my rice water that I made. My rice water for the hair that I made a couple of days ago. And this is my rice hair mask that I made last night. So I am going to show you guys how I am going to use this later on in the video. And then in another video I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to use my rice water. Okay? So, y'all, if y'all have a good spraying container, do not throw your bottle away, especially with a good pump like this. So make sure you wash out your bottles clean and let them dry, because you can always use this for a spray, to spray something in your hair. Instead of going and spend money on something that you really don't have to because you have something around the house. You can also go ahead, take off the labeling and replace it by covering it up or just decorate your bottle. Okay, so this was my all-purpose cleaner spray. So I kept the bottle because I'm like, I can use this for something else, which I am going to use to spray this rice water into my hair. So it's clean, you guys. So I'm going to get ready to pour this rice water over into this bottle. And I have my funnel here. And y'all, actually this rice water does not smell bad, since I have the orange peels over in here and I put that wintergreen essential oil over in here, and it smells very minty. It doesn't stink, and I am so glad. Here we go. This was just enough. All right. All right, you guys, this is my rice water spray. So stay tuned for the video on me putting this paste into my hair. So stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. What I have for you tonight, I'm going to show you guys how I am going to use my DIY hair mask using rice. Yes, rice hair mask is what I'm going to use on my hair. So the benefits of using rice water or rice hair mask, it says it is thought to make the hair smooth and shiny, as well as help it grow faster. It says the benefits is to detangle the hair, makes hair smoother, increase shine, makes hair stronger, helps hair to grow longer. So they got this idea from the Yao women, that's if I'm pronouncing it right, because the name is spelled Y-A-O women, Yao women. Okay, that they use rice water to grow their hair, and these women over there have some long, pretty, healthy hair. So that is where the idea came from. Okay, now I had my hair in cornrow, protective style. So I had it up for about a month now, and when I took my hair down, y'all, I tell you, I just don't know what's wrong with my hair. I know I can't wear single braids because it will break my hair. Now I had it in cornrows and I took my hair down. I'm going to show you how much shedding that I've gotten. Okay? This much shedding. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I had it up in the protector style. I used oils on my hair. I've used hair grease while I had it up. Wet my hair as I had it up. I don't know what the problem. I can't tell you. But now I'm going to get my hair back healthy while I'm doing this rice water challenge. I don't know for how long. I'm going to see if it works for my hair. Let me get a comb. Okay, I'm going to use this wide pick comb. So, I believe it has grown since I had it up in my in the protective style. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with my hair, y'all. I really don't. I'm not going to cut it anymore. I'm not going to cut it anymore. I'm going to take it from here. I'm just going to, you know, like I said earlier, use this hair mask, this rice hair mask first. And then after that, I'm going to come back with another video and use this rice water treatment on my hair. So you guys, if you want to know how I made the rice water mask, the rice hair mask and the rice water, check out my previous videos. Okay? So let's get started. And it doesn't smell bad at all because I put that winter green essential oil over in here, and it doesn't smell bad at all. And then my rice water spray here, I've used orange peels and winter green essential oil, and it does not smell bad. Yes, does not smell bad. So okay, I'm going to go ahead and put this on my hair. Part my hair down in 4 sections. And I'm going to use a clip to hold my sections down. And if you want your rice hair mask to be kind of thick, let it stay sit up overnight, because mine is pretty thick. going to cover my hair with this plastic bag and leave it in my hair for about 30 minutes. And I will be right back. Okay, I am back. I am going to go ahead and take this off of my hair. And I'm going to go ahead and wash this out of my hair. It's been about 30 minutes. A little over 30 minutes. So I'll be right back and show you guys the finished result. I just washed the rice mask out of my hair. And actually my hair feels soft, you guys. It feels so soft and squeaky clean. Squeaky clean. Wow. It feels so refreshing. So you guys, I am going to continue to use this rice paste. I think I'm going to use it once a week. I think I got about 2 more weeks of this. And I think it'll last long. I just keep it refrigerated. But you can leave it out, but I will keep this refrigerated. But I know you can also keep the rice water out or refrigerated. Let me see if I have some shedding. See a little rice particles, but that's all right. Well, just a little. But I want the shedding to stop though. Alright you guys, I hope my hair thickens back up and stop the shedding. From here on out, I am going to be doing some hair videos. So stay tuned for that with different products. So next video, I will show you guys how I'm going to do my hair with the rice water. Well, just let me know what you think about, you know, my hair, or what I should continue to do. Do you think the rice paste, hair paste, is good? But I'm going over here to do another video of the rice water. So thank you all so much for watching. So come back. Bye-bye.